Oh, ayun ko study the clean the area in the barangay Kabayan in the side of the highway in Talon Bridge in Kabangahan to clean the area, because if you finish in the area, we're going to the other place in the block in the highway. Tourist spot? Forest in the spot in the mountain. Hmm? Na to clean the area. After that, we have a linya in the clean the grass in the land, because so many like that. This one, if you eating this one is will die, because will hilo or hilo or poison. No, kami si Danny, ako muna akong kaubag trabaho si Danny, my friend Danny. According to the municipal of Shaton, clean the area in the other barangay, like barangay Kabangahan, clean the area because many people we didn't have a work in the barangay Kabangahan and other barangay. My friend Angelo Walo, my classmate, is the young people. We have a love sick in the body because mini would kuan batiis. Ha? Kasi in English lang ko to kanang samad. Balo ba na siya? Break mo na siya yung English. Subject na English. Dan. Oh, Dani, muna hardworking na siya.
Batiis.
Oh.